go.
The bird drug home a new project, a 74 Bronco. He came across this. It needs some work. It's for a guy he knows that wants a frame off restoration. So bird's gonna lift the body off and go through the frame, go through the axles, go through the front end, and powder coat the frame and put it back together. I think he's gonna be putting on a new body though.
Continuing on with our Bronco project. Got the 9-inch rear axle put together. It's got 456s in it now. It's got a locker in it, and we've got disc brake conversion installed on it. So our next move is we're going to go ahead and install it in the frame. We've got the rear axle installed on it. This will be a great improvement from the old manual steering it used to have. We're going to drill some new holes here to get it to line up to put on here. We've also got the front axle prepared, ready to go in. This is a Data 44 that goes in the front here. We've got the 456 gears installed in it. We've got all new axles in it. We've got new brake system installed on it. We've got all new steering linkages, everything put together here. So this is really going to be a nice Bronco. We're trying to get this put together because there's an appointment for the body to be installed, to be painted. Okay, we got the axle ready to go in. We got the steering box put on. And Chris and Weston's going to help us real quick. We're putting the wheels on. These are pretty cool looking wheels. All steel. All steel, so there we go.
There we go.
Yeah, we just got a few other bushings and brake lines and stuff, shocks. Panhard bar and pitman arm, springs, but right now we're getting ready to roll this over there. And we'll see if it'll stay on the outside of that.
Just like that.
Let's see if that works. Here's my trusty assistant here, Austin. It's coming. There we go. Okay, we got it over here. Let's see what we can do with this now. We're putting the radius arm bushings on. Getting it ready.
Okay.
All right, we ready to install them?
Let's do it. Hopefully they won't slide out on me. I need to go grab my knuckles. It's gotta be rolled back.
Come on. There we go. That's it.
Okay, there.
Okay. Try the bottom one. Yeah, there you go.
That one's not biting yet. Neither one of those are close enough. There we go. There, that's it. They're not fun to do.
Okay. They go on hard. But we got this little challenge when it comes to getting this on, is that spring has to be spread in order to get it on. So
A little more.
Fingers.
So this is their answer
I'll
to
go
it.
scoot it up if that's not enough.
Try it one more time.
It's unmaxed. I'll go up a little
A
higher.
little tire. There you go.
Hold on. I gotta make sure that thing's on there.
Okay, we're
There we go.
That's it.
Okay.
Nice shots.
Just a tidbit.
Well, we got it put together, and we're actually getting ready to load it right now so we can deliver it. Again, it has an appointment to have a body put on so we could get some paint done on it, getting it prepped. But we'll probably see this again in the future. But right now, our part of this project is done. So, which is good because I got other projects like a Suburban to work on a little bit. So this really turned out good. I'm really happy with the way everything turned out. We've got all the steering, all new components on it, all new brakes, everything brand new. Hopefully everybody will be happy with this. So, but anyway, we're gonna get her loaded and then we'll head out. We got her loaded and we're ready to go. So. But man, this is the frames here now. Look at this body. Brand new body, ready to go. Wow. The Coyote going in it. Man, that's going to be a project. That is fun. Now, I have to admit, this Excursion is awesome. This is awesome. Look at this thing. How about it? Look at this. Brand new. Wow.
If you like that video, make sure to check out the Go Bros YouTube channel where we have many more videos just like this. And if you want to see our newest adventures, make sure to click subscribe so you'll get notifications.